Hi, I'm Benjamin.
And I'm Ashley. And right now, we're in the city that inspired the Santa Fe. Santa Fe.
Knowing how curious you all must be about the all-new Santa Fe, we couldn't just sit around waiting, so here we are. The fifth-generation model inherits the unique design story of the Santa Fe heritage, while reflecting the changing lifestyles of consumers, and has now been reborn into a design that shows what it means to be an SUV. This is the tailgate space, the starting point for the entire design process. The design process started with the interior and then made its way to the exterior. And look, they made the wheelbase longer, making way for more space. The space is actually comparable to that of an upper mid-size SUV. The all-new Santa Fe, where the vibes of both the city and outdoor life coexist. Shall we take an even closer look? Wow, this tailgate space is huge. It feels so roomy and open. Just taking one look at it, I can see why they call it a wide tailgate. Extending the interior tailgate space and combining it with the outdoor environment really gives it an open terrace-like feeling to it. The roomy interior feels like a home away from home that opens right up to the great outdoors. And I'm not just imagining it. Both the cargo space and the opening of the tailgate have been expanded compared to the previous fourth-generation Santa Fe, so I can travel anywhere without having to worry about enough space. As you can see, the all-new Santa Fe boasts a powerfully robust design, from the bold roof line to the bridge-type roof rack, which the C-pillar handle right here gives you easy access to store all that extra stuff. And for a maximalist camper like myself, this is a sweet little treat. With Santa Fe, whether you're in the mountains or at the beach, rain, shine, or snow, you don't have to worry about harsh road conditions because Hyundai's H-Track utilizes all of the latest in vehicle control technology to provide maximum driving stability and safety. For those like me who like to spontaneously wander off on a drive, and especially for those families who prioritize safety. The all-new Santa Fe is definitely a trustworthy partner.
You haven't even seen the interior yet. Beautiful aesthetics and functionality, the Santa Fe has it all. Its uniquely sculptured interior seamlessly incorporates all kinds of high-tech features, like this panoramic curved display. It's definitely eye-catching, but the value of its design is only truly appreciated when seated in the driver's seat. And that's because it's designed so that you can conveniently stay informed and alert while keeping your eyes on the road. Just look at this detailed digital center mirror. No matter how dark it is or how much stuff I have in the back, I can easily see what's going on through the screen. All I have to do is press a button and voila! Benjamin? What are you doing back there? Hurry up and come back.
Hold on, I think you're forgetting something really important. This isn't your average tray. Look, pop your cell phone or your sunglasses in, and the UVC sanitizer sanitizes them in just 10 minutes. This would definitely come in handy after being outdoors, and this function is first in its class, making the all-new Santa Fe a pioneer.
If you're done sanitizing your phone, place it right here. Dual wireless charging, a first ever in a Hyundai vehicle.
Whoa, I've never seen that before.
We've all been in that frustrating situation where we're both running low on battery, so no need to worry about that anymore with this extra charging space. The Santa Fe once again shows its attention to detail by not only considering the first row passengers, but even the second row passengers. The console that normally first row passengers have the best access to now naturally extends its accessibility to the second row. Hey, Benjamin, can we take a break? Here's my favorite one-touch relax mode with automatic reclining function. This is so comfy.
Sit back and relax, Ashley. Let me explain. So, by pressing this button and utilizing the fold and dive seats, you can expand your space to create an even more perfect home away from home. Whether you just want to take a little break or experience something new, this expanded space will provide a comfortable experience like never before. Well, now I just want to get out there and take the all-new Santa Fe for a drive somewhere. Anywhere. So, we just experienced the all-new 5th generation Santa Fe, a grand and robust SUV that pays attention to all the little details with keeping your lifestyle in mind.
And now, we're just gonna get a head start on experiencing Santa Fe for ourselves. Take care.
From the city to the great outdoors, the vehicle moves seamlessly in between without borders, transforming an everyday, ordinary space into a unique, extraordinary experience. So, what do you think?